Following the break of this steep short-term downtrend line, look to see if price can keep contact with the mid-16 range over the next week. If it can, then a rebound further back to the 20 boundary heading into the 3 to 5 interval of the Fib time zone becomes more likely. Otherwise, if price stays in the current range, a neutral to bearish stance can develop towards a descending triangle. Clsk firmly holding over the 7 to 10 range again. After price closed over the descending Fib fan, we'll keep waiting to see if there's another contact down at this range for potential towards a more significant rebound. Panw returning back to the 190 to 200 reversal range, but still hasn't crossed back over the descending Fib fan. So watch to see if the minor gap up can be filled to keep price over 187 for a more decisive break over the fan to the 200 barrier. For ARM, the gap down has been strongly filled. As long as price can keep over 160, following the incline of this Fib fan for a better setup to cross through the 180s up to the 200 barrier becomes more likely. For SMCI, if ALMA can get back over MA and these indicators stay at their uppermost values, a surge back into the 40s and the upper band of the descending Fib channel become more likely. For more on the charting methods used, SMCI and these other charts, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.